Kaporo antire weche mag siasa mag ODM ni komiti maketo e tim report mar NADCO odoko jagoro maduong' mar ODM Edwin Sifuna kagi wacho ni tich mar keto e tim report mar NADCO en tij od bura migepe kod bad migepe mag sirikal ma ok gen. Kotene ko jakom margi Agnes Zani, komiti no lero ni tijgi en maneno ni migepe ma onego keti e tim report makamano otimo tijgi maonge lewo e kinde ma jopiny onyiso luoro margi ni report mar NADCO kidek moko e buru karamako buru e apise mag sirikal kaka report mamoko mokalo. Chris Owino ni kod ler.
Ndalo machok bang' jagoro maduong' mar ODM Edwin Sifuna nyono gi e chuodho kuom nindo e tijgi mar keto e tim report mar NADCO, komitino e bwo jatendgi Agnes Zani owuok oko kendo miyo Sifuna duoko. E romo mar kawo pach jopiny ewi report mar NADCO e kar romo mar Kabunde NGCDF Hall e kaunti ma Homa Bay, Agnes Zani kod kweth mare ochung' motegno kendo nyiso Sifuna ni joma onego ket e tim report mar NADCO gin migepe mag sirikal kod od bura kuom kalo chike madwarore.
Because for each of these, we're asking ourselves, what action is required? What are the key performance indicators for us to know which action has been adhered to and to which point? Then who should have done this? Is it the ministry? Is it the community-based organizations? Is it the parliament? Then we're going to ask this question.
Some have said that this committee has done zero work. This committee does not implement anything. The implementers, as the chair has said, are various ministries, departments, and agencies and parastatals. So for us is to assess the extent of implementation of the 10-point agenda issues. There are some things, for example, that were proposed even or recommended in the NADCO report that may touch on issues to do with the entrenchment of certain positions or funds in the constitution.
Moko kuom jodak ma Homa Bay mane ochopo mar chiwo pachgi omiyo sirikal siem ni girem kete tim report mar NADCO ka report mamoko mokalo madhi nyime kod moko buro e apise mag sirikal.
How sure are we that this time round the dialogue which resulted to NADCO report is going to be implemented? That is my fear. How sure are we? All it is just an issue. Whenever there's a crisis, we sit down and talk. We come up with issues to be implemented, and we go again the next election cycle.
But for the government, it is something that is done for us. Somebody is taken from somewhere, maybe but he has no certification that he's a person with disability. Give us opportunity to do a lobby with the government so that at least we tell you the person that we want, because that is the person who understands the pitch. Being a person with disability.
There are some things, for example, that were proposed even or recommended in the NADCO report that may touch on issues to do with the entrenchment of certain positions or funds in the constitution. That can only happen after a referendum. And some of those things that may not be implemented by 7th of March, according to our assessment, will put forth very clear recommendations to His Excellency the President, to Dr. Buru Ginga, on what needs to be done to ensure that the various 10-point agenda issues are fully implemented.
Jopiny bende oko pando ichwang' margi ewi kaduol mochung'ne kedo gi mibadhi EACC osebedo ka kedo kod weche mag mibadhi e yo mandhem.
I suggest that our corruption fighting machineries should be left to do their work, and anybody found culpable be punished, even if it means life imprisonment, even if it means firing squad, then that one will be a very big lesson.
Romo mar kawo pach jopiny koro ochomo e kaunti ma Migori chieng' wuok tich juma manyien. Chris Owino, Ramogi TV.
Erokamano nya Chris Owino. Wadhi nyime kama josiasa moko kotene kod jatende DAPK Eugene Wamalwa onyiso